Back locally now, the 25th staging of the Sagicor Sigma Legacy Run in New Kingston on Sunday raised approximately 92 million Jamaican dollars, the most in the event's history, smashing the $75 million target set for this year.
Over 21,000 persons, a record number, turned out for the event, which included run, walk and wheelchair participants. 2020 champion Garfield Gordon of UTC Steppers was the male overall winner in a time of 17 minutes and 32 seconds, covering 5.5 kilometers.
Well, from the start, I start out hard, try to stay with the pace, not to let the pace let me too far behind. So I managed to stay with the first place runners. And when I reach the 5K, I make my move. And when I reach on Oxford Road, that's where I start to sprint and come out with the win.
Jam Dama's representative Jocelyn Harris secured her third title in a row, taking the female section, finishing in 23 minutes and 20 seconds.
I'm happy to have been able to compete on this legacy year. I'm happy for what Sagicor Sigma is doing in supporting and the upliftment. Not till around Webster when the outrider told me how far the next female was. I thought, okay, I just need to hang on just a few more meters to be able to make it through.
Meanwhile, the University Hospital of the West Indies and the Edna Manley College of the Visual and Performing Arts are the two beneficiaries of the event, and the principal of Edna Manley, Dorrit Campbell, is overjoyed.
I am simply ecstatic. We have a vision for rebuilding our painting studio, and this phenomenal amount that has been marshaled for this run, we are anticipating that we'll get half of it, and that will go a long way in building back better our Hope Brooks painting studio.
Olympians Asafa Powell and Shelley and Fraser Price served as patrons, and Fraser Price is delighted with the support shown.
I'm going to say it's a collective effort. You know, we as patrons, we are urging and we lend our support and our platform to the cause. But I also want to big up Jamaica for showing up for a worthy cause. Because for a lot of us, we have kids, we grew up here, and the pediatric ward is in need of their support, and they showed up. Edna Manley also is the arts creatives, and I'm glad that we were able to raise 91 million, surpassing the 75 million.
Since the event started in 1999, Sagicor has now raised over $640 million, with 25 charities and institutions benefiting. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.